Good day everyone, I am Mary Rose Villena. So now the sound we're going to practice is the sound chain. Again, chain. Shoes. Again, shoes. Choke. Again, choke. Chin. Again, chin. Chunk. Again, chunk. Chair. Again, chair. Chalk. Again, chalk. Channel. Again, channel. Chase. Again, chase. What the other words have the initial sound sh? Teacher. Again, teacher. Bachelor. Again, bachelor. Archer. Again, archer. Achieve. Again, achieve. Touching. Again, touching. Butcher. Again, butcher. Matcher. Again, matcher. Hatcher. Again, hatcher. Patches. Again, patches. What the other word have the middle sound sh? Snatch. Again, snatch. Catch. Again, catch. Batch. Again, batch. Such. Again, such. Crunch. Again, crunch. Bunch. Again, bunch. Much. Again, much. Sketch. Again, sketch. Reach. Again, reach. What the other words have the final sound sh? So now let's practice phrases with this sound. Ready? Cheer me up. Again, cheer me up. Sidewalk chairs. Again, sidewalk chairs. Catch up. Again, catch up. Cheese and chocolate. Again, cheese and chocolate. Cherish moments. Again, cherish moments. Now, let's practice sentences with this sound. Ready? I will choose Cheeto than Chandler. Again, I will choose Cheeto than Chandler. Cholo and Ching playing at the beach. Again, Cholo and Ching playing at the beach. Shan gave me a keychain from China. Again, Shan gave me a keychain from China. I have chewing gum on my packet. Again, I have chewing gum on my packet. Sheena cooked chicken for lunch. Again, Sheena cooked chicken for lunch. The sound we just practiced in this video is the sound sh. Repeat after me. Sh. I hope you enjoyed our practice. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.